Hello, how are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. How about you?
I'm doing great. What's your name?
My name is Anna, and yours?
I'm John. Nice to meet you, Anna.
Nice to meet you too, John.
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada. What about you?
I'm from England.
Oh, that's nice. I love England.
Thank you. It's a beautiful country.
What time do you wake up every day?
I wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning.
What do you do after you wake up?
I brush my teeth, take a shower, and eat breakfast.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually eat bread and eggs and drink a cup of coffee.
When do you go to work?
I go to work at 9 o'clock.
What time do you come home?
I come home around 6 in the evening.
What do you do at night?
I have dinner, watch TV, and then go to bed at 10.
Sounds like a busy day.
Yes, but I like my routine.
Good morning. Can I help you?
Yes, please. Where can I find the milk?
The milk is in aisle number 3.
Thank you. And how much are these apples?
They are $2 per kilo.
Great. I'll take 2 kilos, please.
Sure. Anything else?
Yes. I also need a loaf of bread.
The bread is on the next shelf, right beside the butter.
Perfect. That's all for today.
All right. Would you like a bag?
Yes, please.
Here you go. Your total is $6.
Here's the money.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Excuse me, can you help me, please?
Sure. How can I help you?
I'm looking for the bus station.
Oh, it's not far from here. Go straight down this road.
Okay, then where should I go?
Turn left at the traffic light. The bus station is next to the park.
Is it near the supermarket?
Yes, it's just across the street from the supermarket.
Great. How long will it take to walk there?
About 5 minutes on foot.
Thank you very much for your help.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.